Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel PD Tutorial, and today in this video I am going to prove Lagrange means value theorem, one of the important theorem from reanalysis, which is from the chapter mean value theorem. Let's see the statement. So the statement is, if a function small f is number 1 continuous in a closed interval ab, okay, number 2 function f is differentiable in the open interval ab, then there exists at least one point c that is belonging to close open interval ab such that f of b minus f of a upon b minus a is equals to f dash c. Okay, let's see the proof. So first of all, we consider the function phi defined by f of x is equals to small fx plus ax, where a is any constant, where a is a constant to be determined such that phi of a is equals to phi of b. Give it number 2 and give this equation 1. Now, if we put f of a in this equation, f of a is equals to, phi of a is equals to f of a plus a and phi of b is equals to f of b plus a d. Hence, 2 gives from 2 phi of a is equals to phi of b, so we are going to equalize this equation, which will get f of a is equals to f of b ab. Now by solving we get f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Okay, you can easily solve it. Now it is given that f of x is continuous in the closed interval ab. From the statement we know that f of x is continuous in closed interval ab, and also x is continuous in closed interval ab. Similarly, from the statement we know that fx is differentiable in closed interval ab, and also x is differentiable in fx is differentiable in open interval ab, and x is differentiable in open interval ab from the statement. Hence, all the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied for function phi of x, which we let the function phi x. Okay, so I hope you watch my videos Rolle's theorem. I already uploaded that video. Therefore there exists, this is the symbol for there exists at least one point c of the open interval ab such that f dash c is equals to 0. Okay, this function, the derivative of this function at point c is equals to 0 from the Rolle's theorem. Now f dash x is equals to f dash x plus a. By differentiating this, we get f dash x, phi dash x, f dash x plus a. Now we are going to put c, x is equals to c, we get f dash c plus a. Putting x is equals to c. Now 0 is equals to f dash c plus a. Since f dash c is equals to 0 by Rolle's theorem, so this equation is equals to 0. We get f dash c is equals to minus a. Now from give it equation I guess 4 and give it equation 3. Now from equation 3 and 4 we have f of p minus f of a upon b minus a is equals to f dash c, which is the proof of the theorem. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching my videos.